There are no more injury problems for the Reggae Boyz to worry about ahead of their CONCACAF World Cup qualifier against Honduras in the bottom of the table clash at the Olympico Stadium on Wednesday evening at 7:05 Jamaica time. When the Jamaica senior men's football team left the island for Honduras on Monday, only 16 outfield players made the trip. They could not afford anyone picking up an injury along the way, so it was a case of wrapping those at their disposal in cotton wool. And many would be breathing a sigh of relief when Dr. Derek McDowell gave his assessment of the players.
Okay, presently we have no injury concerns, and everybody who traveled here to Honduras have been recovered according to the protocols we're using, and they're basically ready to go.
With the shortage of players, the Reggae Boyz will need warriors, and Coach Theodore Whitmore believes he has just that in the team.
We're unbalanced at the moment in terms of personnel and position. But again, we have warriors here, we have real soldiers here. And again, it doesn't really matter who we put out there tomorrow. We just have to go. Everybody have to go out there and give 110% and get the job done.
After 3 games with the team, striker Kemar Roof is yet to raise the roof. But he says it's a challenge getting his feet wet.
Yeah, I'm starting to get more comfortable. It's always difficult joining a new team. New players, new staff, new style of play. So it's always difficult, but it's a bit more difficult international level than club level, because club level you can train with the team more, so to understand players and get to understand them quicker. But at international level, it's all about games. So you have no training sessions to actually get to know your teammates and their style of play.
But the Rangers FC player says confidence is building.
Yeah, we're struggling for points. And obviously, that's the only thing that people care about is the points, where we lie on the table. But I think we are showing signs of togetherness, especially in the last game against Canada. We're showing good signs. We was unfortunate not to win the game.
Assistant coach Meron Gordon described the game against Honduras as critical. This as the Hondurans are just a point and a position above the Jamaicans.
They are struggling like us, but that's not what we are thinking about now. We're concentrating mostly on us, what we can do. So, we're going out there tomorrow to fight for 3 points.
Honduras has not been a happy hunting ground for the Reggae Boyz in previous years, with several Jamaican coaches losing their jobs there after poor results, a condition that Coach Whitmore knows only too well.
Well, again, things and time have changed, and what we can control is on the field, the 90 plus minute, and that where main focus is now is the 90th minute and what we can get out of this game.
Jamaica and Honduras are the only teams yet to win a game in the 8-team qualifier.